Hi friends, I am C. Ramesh Chandra Rahul. I am a financial advisor. Today I came here to give advice about the financial product, health insurance. Before going to see about health insurance, let's know what is insurance. Insurance is a way to manage our risk or we can tell unexpected losses. When you buy insurance, you purchase protection against unexpected financial losses. This insurance company pays you or someone you choose if something bad happened to you. Let's consider uh, we are buying a mobile phone, either a mobile phone or a car. um, if the mobile phone fell into the water or salt water, if anything happens, anything accident happens now, then your total amount will get wasted in a single time. If you insure the products, then the insurance company will pay you the amount to recover the losses. This is what the insurance means. Okay, if you have no insurance, and if the accident happens, you may be responsible for all the related costs. Nowadays, everything is getting insured, even our mobile phone, laptops, um, uh, health insurance, life insurance, automobile insurance, home insurance, those things which and all will forecast any unexpected loss. Now, then by taking these insurance, we can pay for the insurance company will pay for us for the unexpected loss. So there will be a reduce in the financial burden. So this is how the insurance works, and it will help it, and this is how it benefits to the people. And then what does insurance? How does insurance reduce your financial risk? Imagine you are driving a car, you hit a deer, which damages your car. If you have the right kind of auto insurance policy, then the insurance company will pay the cost of the car repairs. Let's think that you have a BMW 7 Series. It costs around 7 crores. So if you hit a deer or a cow or anything else, then the total bonnet will get collapsed. It will nearly it will cost about about the BMW, how it very costly car. So even the replacing the bonnet will cost around 50 lakhs. Sorry, 5 lakhs. If you insure now, then the insurance company will pay you the money. So there is the so they reduce our financial risk. Okay, we cannot we are not we will not pay the entire money. But the mostly 80 percentage to 90 percentage money will be paid by the insurance company. This by this the insurance will reduce our financial risk. Let's see what are the types of insurance. There are many types of insurance. Let's see only few. First one is health insurance. Uh, Health insurance helps you to pay for doctor fees, sometimes prescription drugs, and once you buy health insurance coverage, you and your family and health insurer each agree to pay a part of your medical expenses. Let's talk about life insurance. The other life insurance pays a person. You can select a amount of money. If or when you die, the money from your life insurance policy can help your family to pay their bills and also their living expenses. If you insure life insurance now, then don't worry. If anything bad happened to you now, then the life insurance company will take care of your family and their expenses by giving your premium to in their hands. And there is the most common type of insurance. It is an automobile insurance. Everyone have an automobile nowadays. Everyone, even a college students itself, oh, those who are getting a license are having an automobile like a bike, car. Uh, anyhow, so everyone will buy the auto insurance. This is a most common type of insurance. Like most of the people, it covers most of the people. It protects you paying from the full cost for vehicle repairs and medical expenses. Sorry, on medical expenses due to collision. Even when the accident happens now, it will not only it will damage the vehicle, and also it will damage our physical body also. So by this auto insurance, he is somewhat able to manage the full cost of the vehicle repair and maintenance. Then there is an home insurance which protects your home and personal property against a damage or loss, and insure in you in case someone gets hurt while on your property. If you have a mortgage on your property, most lenders requires you to have homeowners insurance as a condition of the loan. Let's we move about our main product, that is health insurance. Yeah. Before going to see health insurance, let's see what is health insurance. Health insurance would policy would normally cover expenses reasonably and necessarily incurred under the following head in respect of each injured person subject to overall ceiling of sum insurance. It covers expenses like room, boarding expenses, nursing expenses, fees of surgeon, anesthetist, physician, all the doctor fees will be covered in this health insurance. And also, it is a contract between the health insurance company and the person who insured. The insured premium, and in return, the insurer promises to pay as a predetermined sum of money to meet the claim. When a person affected by any disease, then by when he if the person took the health insurance now, then no need to worry. The insurance company will pay the some of his most of his medical expenses by this insurance policy. So this is the importance of the health insurance. What they will do now, some no short. In this segment, let's next see about what are the benefits of health insurance. Okay, the benefits of the health insurance is it will cover entire family, not only our individual. It will cover all our family members. So it is a biggest benefit of this health insurance. Not only it will not cover the person who paying the premium, it also covered for the person, maybe a spouse of the payer, or maybe the children of the payer. And as I already told, it will help the person to maintain the financial stability. Health illness and all, it's a great concern nowadays. Because due to the coronavirus, everyone is very concerned about health and all, and also they are most worrying about the expenses they faced because of this health illness. So by so so by insuring their health by health insurance, they can support for medical emergency and also for their longevity of their life. And because of this taking this health insurance, they will get a peace of mind that they don't need to worry about the financial cost they are facing while they are affected by any kind of this. Some people take this health insurance for tax benefits also. The in the tax benefits section 80D, it by who the person who and all taking health insurance, they can they can get some incentive in the tax section. Some people get the health insurance for also the tax benefits. Like many business people will take health insurance for this purpose also. Let's see, why do we need health insurance? There are, this is already covered in the past slide. I'm just adding some of the things. Due to the changing in the lifestyles, the world around us and our environment is constantly changing. Today, we facing rise leveling of population and hectic work schedules due to work pressure, and so many people before 20-30 years and all, diabetes and cholesterol, it's a very rare thing phenomenon happening to people. But nowadays, the diabetes, cholesterol, it is under common because of there is a change of the work culture of the people due to uh, like night shift works, due to target pressure. So people are getting health issues oftenly, even in the small age of their life. Yeah, so a good health insurance policy will help you take care of yourself without breaking the bank. Because of breaking the bank means without breaking your financial stability or financial power, we can able to overcome this thing, this negative impact of health that is happening in our life. And also tax benefits. As I already told, it may seem frivolous, but one great reason to get a health insurance policy is to save on tax. Premium that you pay maintain a Tata 80 health insurance policy are exempt from tax under sections 80D of the income tax. If you bought a health insurance plan for yourself, your spouse, or your kids, you can claim up to 25,000 per year. If you have bought, I have took this Tata AG as an example, and I am explaining about this tax benefits. If you took a health insurance now, then you can claim 25,000 per year for under the section 80D of the income tax act. If you bought a medical insurance plan for your parents over the age of 60 years, then we can claim up to 50,000 per year in the Income Tax Act. So for these purpose also, we need health insurance, not only for the what are the oncoming or unfor risk we are facing in the life. For these the purpose also, we can take health insurance. Then due to the rising medical cost, nowadays the medical expenses are more on food. It is getting rise and rise day to day. The medical expenses are getting rise. Even for taking a CT scan nowadays, it costs around 25,000. Sorry, 2,500. So if you have been visiting the doctor regularly over the years, because of your any disease or any illness, you may notice that the cost of medical treatments and checkups have gone up. The easiest way to keep up with inflated health rate costs is by getting yourself a good medical insurance policy. While you are still young and in the best of the health, then it will efficiently improve your life and your longevity and also your family longevity. Then COVID-19 cover. You see, in past 2 years, this is a great concern for all around the world. So the health insurance are now covering the COVID-19 expenses also. The recent pandemic show just how important having a good health insurance is. When you have a great medical insurance policy, you can rest easily knowing that you will be taken care of even if you are diagnosed with COVID-19. So by these are some of the things very important to take a health insurance. This is the case, like how the people are acting to the responding for the health insurance before COVID and how the people are acting after the COVID. Guarding against this is like corona rise was a major reason for buying cover. Before and all, the overall percentage is 37% and the insurance owner are 32%. Indians who plans to buy the insurance. So there are only 41%. But after this great pandemic of COVID-19, people change the mind. People change the mind on health insurance. Before and all, they think that the health insurance is like a kind of an extra expenses they are spending toward a product. But now they think after the COVID-19 pandemic, now they require health insurance. So they came to know how important the health insurance is. So nowadays the overall people who are believing in health insurance is 60%, and already the insurance owners have grown up to 55%. And the people who are intenders to plan this health insurance have grown up to 19%. That is means from 41%, it's now grown to 60%. So this is the thing the COVID-19 had made an impact in the health insurance industry. Let's see who are the major players of this health insurance. The three major players of this health insurance industry in India is Tata AIG Health Insurance, HDFC Ergo Health Suraksha, then SBI General Street, SBI Arogya Plus policy. These three policies are the health insurance which will cover the family members also. These three health, I have taken this segment, especially the family members segment. So these three products will cover all the family members in the group, in the family. Let's see about Tata AIG Health Insurance. It is an Axis Bank product, and even this I am taking this Group Medicare Tata AIG Health Insurance policy. In this, what are the special features? There are some special features in the Tata AIG. No copay or disease-based room rent capping. So there is no any during the when you going to take a health insurance now, then they will tell like no, the insurance or the owner or the person who is selling the insurance will tell like everything will come under. But in the fact now, it will not be the truth. They will simply just blabber and they try to sell the product. In this AIG health insurance, Axis Bank AIG health insurance, we should not worry about this and all. It covers the room expenses also. That's what it is. The first point. In the first point, it tells that it covers expenses for inpatient hospitalization, treating up to sum insured, and also it covers the pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization expenses up to 30 days and 60 days respectively. For pre-hospitalization expenses, it covers up to 30 days, and for post-hospitalization, it covers up to 60 days respectively. Then there are 541 daycare procedures are covered all over the India by this Axis Bank Tata AIG Group Medicare policy, and it automatically restores the 100% sum insured even for the same illness. Even if the person in the family are both infected by the same illness now, then no problem. It will cover, it will automatically restores the 100% sum insured for the same illness. That's what they are telling in this point. Then in this product, the benefit is that it has a very low waiting period. The waiting period is for about 24 months for specific illness and also for the pre-existing disease. In a shorter sense, they will tell that this thing as an ABCD coverage. ABCD coverage means A for asthma, H for high blood pressure, and B for high blood pressure, C for cholesterol, and D for diabetes. These are the common things nowadays people are getting affected in India. Not only in India, in most part of the world, but particularly in India, many people are affecting by this ABCD. Even our family members, many family members, may have at least one type of this ABCD disease. So the greater benefits of this Tata AIG Axis Bank Group Medicare insurance is it covers the asthma, high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes. Okay, then there is no disease-wise sublimit and all. They will treat every disease as a common thing if you are insured in this Axis Bank Tata AIG Group Care medical policy. Let's see what are the specific features. It covers the inpatient treatment, which covers the expenses due to disease, illness during the policy period that requires an insured person admission in a hospital as an inpatient. Medical expenses directly related to the hospitalization would be payable. And also the other benefits is, as I already told, it covers more than 51 daycare procedures treatments as an hospital or a daycare center. Okay. Then there is the other benefits is consumer benefit. Consumer benefits, it covers expenses incurred for specific consumables which are consumed during the period of hospitalization directly related to the insured person's medical or surgical treatment of illness. Then it covers the vaccination cover. Even for vaccination cover, nowadays every people are getting vaccinated. So in my goodness, now the governments are freely vaccinating for the citizens, but in some private hospitals and all for vaccinating for a particular disease, it will be cost very high, even up to that the vaccination cost even up to 1 lakh and so on. So this insurance policy cover expenses related to vaccine like HPV vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine, after 2 years of continuous coverage, and anti-rabies vaccine, typhoid vaccine, everything will come under this vaccination coverage without any waiting period. This is the most good benefit of this Axis Bank Tata AIG Group Medicare insurance policy. Then it also tells about the compassionate travel. It is very hard for the patients to travel within the cities or due to medical transportation. It also covers that expenses also. It covers up to 20,000 related to round trip economy class air ticket, first class railway ticket to allow the immediate family member to be insured beside during his stay in the hospital. Let us consider if any of the family member got infected by any particular disease and he want to travel immediately now, then no need to worry. This insurance policy will cover also the air travel, even air travel and the railway travel or the first class ticket. So it is a great benefit. Then it also covers the optional accident death rider. Covers 100% of sum insured in the event of death of insured person due to accident. If any person getting accident now, no, it will cover up to 100% of sum insured. And there are many features like pre-hospitalization expenses, domiciliary treatment, second opinion, ambulance cover. I already don't know. The ambulance cover is also this compassionate travel is also a kind of an ambulance cover. And hearing aid, daily cash for accompanying an insured child, post-hospitalization expenses, even for organ donor also. They will cover the insurance policy, Ayush benefit, health checkup, daily cash for choosing shared accommodation. There are so much of benefits in the Axis Bank Tata AIG Group Medicare policy. Let's see about the other great player who is the SDFC Ergo General Insurance. In this SDFC Ergo General Insurance, Health Suraksha. It is also called as My Health Suraksha Silver. It is the perfect competitor of the group Medicare policy of the Axis Bank Tata AIG Life Insurance. Let's see what are the benefits that this Health Suraksha covers. It covers the post-hospitalization charges, which pays for medical expenses incurred 90 days immediately after the discharge of the post-hospitalization. And also it covers the daycare procedures It has about 144 daycare procedures which do not require 24 hours hospitalization due to technological advancement. So as we all in the Tata AG, it covers about 540 plus daycare procedures, but in HDFC they only covering 144 day care procedures. And also in the post hospitalization, the Axis Bank covers both the pre hospitalization and also the post hospitalization expenses. But here they cover only the post hospitalization expenses. Then let's see about the domiciliary treatment. It's both same. Both the banks are same. Pay for expenses incurred for medical treatment taken at home. Then like Axis Bank, it also covered for organ donor, and there is an emergency ambulance. Then it also covers the medical expenses for the Ayush taken for the patient taken under Ayush, Unani, Siddha, or homeopathy. So this is about the HDFC Ergo Health Suraksha. It's somewhat their benefits are lagging behind the Tata AIG Group Medicare policy of Axis Bank. Okay, let's see about what is not covered in this. In this, any treatment within first 30 days cover expect and additional injuries not covered. Pre-existing conditions will not be covered for the first 48 months. 48 months means then it is nearly around for 4 years. Expenses arising from HIV, AIDS and all related disease and all not covered in this. Mental disorder it's also not covered in this. Abuse of intoxicated substance like drugs and alcohol is not covered in this. Hospitalization due to wars, chemical like these kind of things and all not covered. Then maternity expenses is also not covered. Dental and external aids and appliances unless are also not covered. Then there are a 2-year exclusion for specific devices and experimental investigation. Okay, this last thing is every bank will not cover. Let's now look upon the other great competitor, who is the SBI General Arogya Plus policy. What are the key benefits of this policy? Like it also same like HDFC Ergo. It covers about 142 day care expenses, and also like Axis Bank, it also covers for pre and post hospitalization expenses. No pre-policy medical test up to age of 55 years. Multi-option in this multi-option is available. Like we can insure for both the individual and also for the family. And like every insurance, it also exempted from the section 80D of the income tax act. Maternity expenses is covered. Okay, in this SBI general policy, maternity expenses is covered, but in HDFC, the maternity expenses is not covered. Then OBD expenses is also covered in this policy schedule. Let's see what is not covered. Like HDFC, these are the pre-existing conditions until 48 months after the policy was purchased. So this thing is not covered. First 30-day exclusion for except hospitalization due to injury. Okay. Then first 9th month exclusion for maternity expense. They're telling about maternity expenses, but they're telling that first 9th month is excluded from the maternity expenses. So it is not fair. Then the treatment taken outside India is not covered. Okay, it's acceptable. Then the injury disease directly or indirectly caused due to nuclear weapons. Okay, these are the same thing like HDFC. So while comparing these three things, we can able to tell that Axis Bank Tata AG Group Medicare policy has the greater benefits when comparing to all these other two products. Let's see about what are the key benefits. As I already told, it has the ABCD coverage, which means asthma, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. Then also it cover up to 5 lakhs for individual. We should have to pay the premium of 7,605, and for family we have to pay like 14,489. No medical test is required. And quick policy issuance. It is a main thing we should every customer should consider, because health expenses and health needs are very much needed in a much right time. So the customer should concentrate in this quick policy issuance. Okay, this is the main thing. And Axis Bank Tata AIG Group Medical policy fulfill this category. So there is no doubt the customer can easily get up, can definitely get up to this segment of the product of the Axis Bank. Then there is no restriction on hospital room rent and room category. Okay, this is also very important. because many I don't want to mention the name. Many insurance companies will not cover the hospitalization room rent. They will tell like they will cover, but there will be some categories to cover. Like they will not carry the IST like IST room rent, like IST high feature room rent, like AZ room rent. But no, in this Tata AAG, Axis Bank Tata AAG, there is no restriction. It is also very important future for the customer who are insured. So these four are the very main categories that the customer should consider when buying insurance. Okay, let's see about what are the advantages. It has a wide reaching network. Like as I already told, it has about 540 plus daycare hospitals, and even it covers around 5,200 hospitals across India. It's a very big number. Then it is we have seen about this. It saves on taxes. Then it is a paperless policy. So we no need to there is big if the paper policy now, then it will take more time for this documentation purpose and all. If they follow paperless policy now, it will be very easy. Like it is the digital and in the digital and fast-paced world, we need to understand the need to have all your documents on the go. Okay, then this has a paperless policy. It is very much needed. Then it is safe and secure. We value your privacy and data. And claim settlement ratio. Okay, this is very important. We have to look upon before you buy or renew your health insurance policy. We are sure you would like to know how likely you are to get your settlement if you raise a valid claim. As I already told, medical expenses are very much needed in a right phase. So that if there is a delay in claim settlement ratio now, then it will create a problem for the family members and also for the people who get infected, sorry, who get diseased or who get affected by. So the insurance company should really should be settle the claim in a faster manner. So this has the high claim settlement ratio, and it covers about 96.43% of all insurance claims that you came your way. So it is very important. So by this, I am concluding that while comparing this three products in the group in the family health insurance segment, I am voting for the Axis Bank Tata AAG Group Medicare policy, because it is very far better than other two great competitors like SDFC, Ergo, and SBI. So I am opting for Tata AAG Group Medicare policy to take. I'm recommending the customers to take this policy, and it has many benefits. So this is what I am concluding by this video. And I thank you for everyone who listening my speech very patiently. And I believe that I somewhat give a good product. I have somewhat suggest a good product for you and your family. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe and please do like and share my video. Thank you.